Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Watch Stash with the easy method. First, download the Watch Stash application from your preferred app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new account using your email address and a secure password. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute, ensuring your collection data is safely stored and accessible across all your devices. You are now ready to begin adding your watches. Now let's add your first watch. Locate and tap the prominent Add New Watch button, often represented by a plus sign. Input key information such as the watch's brand, model name, and its unique reference number. Don't forget to upload a high-quality photo of your timepiece. This visual aid is incredibly helpful. After entering these details, simply tap Save to securely add it to your digital collection. This process takes about 2 minutes per watch. Keeping your collection organized is simple. You can categorize each watch by type, like a dress watch or a dive watch, making browsing easy. Record important service dates and warranty information to stay on top of maintenance. The Notes section is perfect for adding unique stories or specific purchase details, enriching each entry. You can sort your entire collection by brand, acquisition date, or even value, providing flexible viewing options for your many timepieces. To maximize your watch stash experience with the easy method, utilize quick tags for rapid filtering and searching. Set up helpful reminders for upcoming service appointments, ensuring your watches receive timely care. You can also export your entire collection data as a backup, providing peace of mind. For those interested, explore the value tracking feature to monitor the estimated market value of your timepieces, offering valuable insights into your investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.